There's a bunch of stuff going on in this screwdriver that is actually kind of amazing. You're looking at a screwdriver that is made by Craftsman that claims to be 6 times the speed of a regular screwdriver. Inside the package, you're going to find 7 double-ended bits. 6 of those bits will store inside the handle, and of course the 7th bit can be stored inside the tool itself. The screwdriver is a little bit chunky, but it does feel pretty good in my hand. Anything you see that's red is a fiber reinforced plastic, and the black is an overlay of rubber. So you do have a pretty good grip with this screwdriver, but obviously the secret sauce of the screwdriver is located inside here. So in case you haven't guessed it yet, it's a ratcheting screwdriver combined with a speed screwdriver. So the first trick this screwdriver has up its sleeve is every rotation of the handle is 3 rotations of the bit, so you can get a lot of speed out of the screwdriver. It's also a ratcheting screwdriver, so if you turn it backwards and forward, the bit will go the same direction depending on what way you have this collar. If you pull the collar out, the screwdriver will go in reverse. And if you have the collar in, well, the screwdriver is going to go forward. And then the final trick that the screwdriver has up its sleeve is these speed screwdrivers take a lot of torque. You don't get something for nothing. You don't get more rotations without losing torque in the handle. So if you don't hang on to the neck of the screwdriver and you're just using it like a regular screwdriver, it's 1-to-1, but it ratchets. Still 1-to-1. And we're ratcheting, so there is no torque loss. So the package advertisement of 6 times the speed is both of those combined. There's a speed increase of 1 to 3 using the gears, but when you turn the screwdriver backwards, it still spins the same direction. So they're claiming that is 6 times the speed of a regular screwdriver. But the question in everybody's mind is, how well does it work? And we're gonna find out. These electrical outlets have kind of a long-winded screw, and I think that's a good test for these types of screwdrivers. And because the minute you let go of the color, it becomes a regular 1-to-1 screwdriver, you can torque it down and you can feel exactly how tight you're getting that screw. Let's go ahead and take a screw back out and see how well it works. And it's just as fast. So what are my final thoughts? Well, I actually really like this screwdriver. I like the fact that it defaults to just a 1-to-1 ratio, so you don't lose any torque when you really need it. But if you have machine screws or even screws that are loose, well, you can get that 1-to-3 speed ratio if you really want it. The screwdriver as a whole seems to be very well made. It is the Craftsman brand, and I will put a link down below in case you're interested. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.